You think making a crossword puzzle is very complicated? Not with Canva. This tool lets you build one with clues, keys, and clean design all inside your Canva editor. Let me walk you through it. Hey everyone, welcome back to Brand Locally. So for today, we're gonna tackle another activities maker, whether you're a parent, a guardian, or you're a teacher, or just for fun. So this activity maker will tackle word search, crossword puzzle, and maze. And now we have crossword puzzle. If you haven't watched the one for word search, click the link down below. Let's dive in. Now we're back again with the Canva blank design. So we want to go to apps and look for activities maker. Activities maker right here. You click this one right here, and before I told you about the word search, now we're going to crossword. As you can see, it's almost the same as the word search. We have the enter manually here, upload file, and they also have a word list preset, the countries, foods, blah blah blah. And you also have each here, as you can see, the words and the clue list. And each line should have a pair of words and clues separated by a semicolon. As you can see, there's a semicolon right here. You can also generate multiple quiz puzzles, and you can also adjust the max number of words per crossword. Now, I want to copy something that I generated in ChatGPT. Let me just copy that one. And I'll paste it in here. So I have food here, pasta, sushi, pancake, whatever. Then I'm gonna start generating this one. And as easy as that, can you see that? Now, as usual, we have the cheat sheet right here. We also have the across and down right here. Let me put this on here. Let me just adjust. I'll put this one right here and across right here. Now, what you're going to print out is this one. So we're gonna add a new page and move the cheat sheet onto this part. Now we would like to adjust this one. And there you go. You just print this out. You can create, you can add the background, whatever you like. If you want this as a newspaper type, you can add a background of a newspaper and just print it out so you can have activities when you're bored. Your crossword is ready, complete with clues, solution keys, and perfect for worksheets, client freebies, or just creative content. Want to make a maze next? I've got you covered in the next video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.